Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit transcripts in Otter AI in 2026. If you want to correct transcription mistakes, update speaker names, or improve the accuracy of your meeting notes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your recorded and imported conversations. Next, find the transcript you want to edit and click on it to open the full conversation. Take a moment to review the transcript and identify any words, names, or sentences that need correction. Now click directly on the text you want to edit. Otter AI allows you to modify the transcript by typing the correct words or fixing spelling mistakes. Make your changes carefully to keep the transcript accurate. Next, if speaker names are incorrect or missing, update them by selecting the speaker label and entering the correct name. This makes your transcript easier to read and more organized. Now continue reviewing the conversation from beginning to end. Correct any technical terms, company names, or important details that may have been transcribed incorrectly. You can also highlight important sections, add comments if needed, and rename the conversation so it's easier to find later in your dashboard. Finally, once you've finished editing, your changes will be saved automatically. Review the completed transcript one last time to make sure everything looks accurate before sharing or exporting it. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to edit transcripts in Otter AI step by step. You can now improve transcript accuracy and keep your meeting notes clear, organized, and ready to share. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.